I manifested my husband moving 10,000 kilometers from Singapore to Germany. For 2.5 years, we had a long distance relationship, and I was always standing at the gate, watching him, waving to him, feeling so heartbroken because I knew we wouldn't see each other for a long time. So I started this manifestation in my mind quietly without telling him that I was visualizing how he would walk through the gate one day and stay, not leaving again. I kept this image in my mind and filled it with all my heart, visualizing how he would move to Germany. And one day, he really got an offer by the German company he was working for to move to Germany. Just out of nowhere, it happened. And we were both so surprised. So if there's anyone that needs to hear this, just tag that person and believe that your dreams come true.
To keep your German accent a little bit down.
Did you hear that?